Hello, welcome to our class on statistics. Today we are going to look at mean from frequency table, how we calculate the mean from a frequency table. And this is a frequency table. We have the age from 1 to 10, and then we have the various corresponding frequencies with the age. That is the number of children. Alright, so 1 year we have one child, those with 2 years, 3 children, 3 years, 5 children, and so on. And we are asked to calculate the mean of the distribution. Alright, so what we should take note is that when we are given a frequency table, okay, and you are asked to find the mean of the frequency table, you know that with the mean, you put all the data together and divide by what? The number of values of the data. Alright, so here, what we should take note is that when we take the age 1, we have only 1. But when we take the age 2 years, we have 3 children being 2 years. So if I'm supposed to add, I will add what? 2 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. But 2, we have 3 children. When I take 5 children, we have what? Their age is 3. So it means that the age 3, I'm going to add it to 5 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. You see that it will take us a lot of time. So what we have to do is to what? Is to multiply. 3 times 5 will give me the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 5 times. Okay, all right. So what we have to do is that we are going to what? We are going to put all the frequency together. Okay, the frequency will give us the number of values of what? Of the data. Because when we take a child with 1 year, or when you have 1 year, a child, we have only one child. 2 years, 3. So the frequency, when you put all the frequencies together, it will tell us the number of children, okay, with their years. Okay, so the frequency, the total frequency will tell us. All right, and then when we multiply, okay, it will give us the summation of what? The summation of the age. Okay, when we sum everything, we put everything what? Everything together. All right. So we know that with if it is just set of numbers, okay, then our mean of set of numbers, we put all the numbers divided by number of values. But because this is what? A frequency distribution table, then and we are going to multiply by the frequency, which is the number of children, then our mean, okay, will be equal to what? Sigma summation of frequency by the S over the summation of the frequency. So when you have a frequency table like this, then this becomes your mean. Your mean is what? Sigma fs over sigma f. All right, so this is how we are going to calculate our mean. So let's draw the table and then we calculate our mean. Memorize this formula that anytime you have a frequency distribution table, this is the formula you are going to use. All right, so when we have our age here, which is in years, and because this is what? Ungrouped frequency distribution, so it means that the age becomes our x. All right, and then we have number of children, that becomes our is the frequency. So we know the formula is what? The mean is what? Sigma fs over sigma f. So since we know that this is our mean, then definitely we are going to multiply the frequency by the x. Okay, so we have fs here, so that we can sum all and get the sigma fs. So summation of the f of s, and this will give us the summation of what? The f. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All right, and then we have what? 1 3 5 4 is 7 12 9 6 3 2 and 2. Okay, so that we here, when you put all together, get what? Summation of the f, sigma f. And when you put all this together, we get summation of f of s. Okay, so we will put all together and then we get our answer. So let's add this. See, 1 plus 3 will give us 4. 4 plus 5 will give us what? 9 plus 9 plus 7 is going to give us 16, and then 16 plus 12 will give us 28, plus 9 will give us 37, plus 6 will give us 43, plus 3 will give us 46, plus 2 will give us 48, plus another 2 will give us 50. So our number of children is 50. So now let's multiply and get the f of s. 1 times 1 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 5, that is 15, 4, 7, that is 28, 5, 12, 60, 6, 9, 54, 7, 6, that is 42, 8, 3, and that is 24, 9 to 18, and then 10 to 20. Okay, so we are going to add or put all of them together, all right? So 1 plus 6 plus 15 plus 28 plus 60 plus 54 plus 42 plus 24 plus 18 plus 20, and that will give us 268. So let's calculate our mean here. Our mean, the A, okay, is what? You know, sigma fs over sigma f. So that is 268 divided by 50. So that becomes our mean. 268 divided by 50. And that is 5.36. So our mean is 5.36. It's 5.36. All right. So let's look at the last question, and then we are good to go. So with the B, it says if a child is selected at random, what is the probability that he or she is older than the mother age? So what is the mother age? The age with the highest frequency. Okay, so the mother age is 5, because 5 has a lot of children, number of children to be 12. So this is the mother age. And so what is the probability that the child is older than the mother age? So those who are older than the mother age is from what? 6 to 10. Okay, and that means they are older than 5, because the mother age is 5. So if you are selecting a child, what is the probability that the child will be older than the mother age? So how many children is older than 5? That is what? That is 9, 6, 3, 2, and 2. Okay, so we add the number of 10 and divide by 50. All right. So we know that the mother age, okay, is 5. So 5 years. So we are finding the probability that a child selected at random is older than 5. So we say the number of children older than 5 years will be equal to what? 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so these are the number of children older than 5 at 5 years. So 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. So 9 plus 6 is what? 15 plus 3, that is 18, plus 2, 20, plus another 2, that is 22. So probability of a child older than the mother age will be equal to 22 out of 50. But the number of children is what? Is 50. So let's say 22 over 50. That will give us 11 over 25. In decimal, that is 0.44. Okay, so the probability that selecting a child who is older than the mother age is 11 over 25, or 0.44. I believe this is clear and understood. All right, I'll see you again as you solve more questions on this. Bye bye.